Welcome! If you want your Facebook app on PC to look its best at any time of day, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to adjust your page appearance automatically with the latest Facebook update. This feature lets Facebook switch between light and dark mode based on your system settings, so your eyes stay comfortable no matter when you browse. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. If you're already logged in, you'll see your main feed. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your page profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This opens a menu with several options. From here, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new drop-down will appear. Click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. Next, look for the option labeled Dark Mode. Click on it to open the appearance settings. Here, you'll see three choices: on, off, and automatic. To let Facebook adjust your page appearance based on your device's theme, select Automatic. With this option, Facebook will automatically switch to dark mode when your PC is set to dark and back to light mode when your system switches to light. That's it! You've now set your Facebook app to match your device's appearance automatically. No more straining your eyes at night or being blinded by a bright screen during the day. Facebook will handle the switch for you, keeping your browsing experience smooth and comfortable. If you ever want to change it back, just follow these steps again and choose the setting you prefer. This update makes it easier than ever to personalize your Facebook experience, so you can focus on connecting with friends and family without worrying about your screen's brightness. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next video.